Feeling sore after a workout? Don't worry, muscle soreness is a sign of progress. Let's dive into 5 simple home remedies to ease that soreness and get you back on track faster. First up, the classic Epsom salt bath. The magnesium in Epsom salts helps relax your muscles and reduce inflammation. Just soak in a warm bath for about 20 minutes. Gentle stretching and foam rolling can help break up tension and increase blood flow to your muscles, promoting faster recovery. Just 10 minutes of this can make a big difference. Staying hydrated is key. Drinking enough water flushes out toxins and helps reduce muscle cramps and stiffness. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, especially after a workout. Alternate between heat and cold therapy. Apply a heating pad to relax tight muscles, and follow up with an ice pack to reduce inflammation and swelling. Sometimes the best remedy is rest. Combine rest with a protein-rich diet to repair muscle tissue. Foods like chicken, fish, and leafy greens help speed up the recovery process. Try these simple remedies next time you're sore and get back to feeling great in no time. Like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.